Yo internet, today I'm going to unbox this Yeti Blackout microphone. Comes with a USB cable. Little instruction booklet. Describes the different types of microphones settings you can use. Here's the actual microphone. It's pretty awesome. I like that you can flip it over that way too. Lower the camera a little bit. But yeah, on the front, it's got a pattern knob where you can change what type of setting you want to use, the omnidirectional, cardioid, all that stuff. It's got a gain switch. On the other side it's got a mute button, the volume. On the bottom it's got the USB output and a headphone output, which I guess is supposed to be 100% lag free. And nothing else comes in the box, so I'm about to switch over and do some sound tests. Okay, so this is what it sounds like to record in stereo. The description says, stereo mode is great for capturing a realistic stereo image. To start, point the microphone at the sound source that you want to record. Depending on the instrument and or sound that you want to achieve, place the microphone anywhere from 2 inches to several feet in front of the sound source. By centering the sound source, you will get equal amounts of signal in both the left and right channels. Now, I'm going to turn the gain all the way down and then slowly turn it up so you can hear the different gain levels. So this is with the gain all the way down. This is with the gain at about 1/4. This is the gain at about back at normal. This is with the gain at 75%. And this is with the gain all the way up. And again back to normal. The next mode is cardioid. It says, cardioid is the most commonly used and can be useful in many situations. If you're recording vocals, a podcast, or a voiceover, cardioid is likely your best choice. When recording in cardioid, sound directly in front of the microphone is picked up, while the sound at the rear and sides of the microphone is not picked up. Therefore, you will want to arrange the source directly in front of the microphone. Cardioid will deliver the most direct, rich sound, but not offer as much airiness or presence as the other recording modes, which I'm sure you're okay with if you need a very direct sound. The next mode is omnidirectional. Omnidirectional means that your microphone picks up sound equally from all directions. This setting is perfect for recording a group of musicians playing all at the same time, recording a conversation between multiple parties around a room, a conference call, or any other situation where you want to capture the ambience of quote-unquote being there. Because sound is picked up from all directions in this mode, the orientation of the microphone isn't crucial. But as a good rule of thumb, start by orienting the microphone in front of the primary sound source you wish to record. And the last mode is bidirectional. Bidirectional means that the microphone picks up sound at the front and rear of the microphone, while sounds to the side are rejected or not picked up. The bidirectional setting is very useful in achieving a nuanced, pleasant sound when recording musical instruments and is perfect for recording an interview with 2 or more guests. By placing the microphone in between 2 or more subjects, you can achieve a natural sound without the complexity of using multiple microphones. So this is the front of the microphone, and this is from the back. And go back to stereo. One other little piece of information I'm going to go over is what it lists as the best uses for the different modes. Stereo, it says, is best for recording vocals, an ensemble choir, and instruments. Cardioid is good for podcast, voiceovers, vocals, and instruments. Omnidirectional is good for conference calls, field recordings, events/orchestras. And bidirectional is good for interviews, instruments, and vocal duets. Well, that's about it. Thanks for checking out the video, and feel free to check out some more of my videos.